First things first, I'll explain how these people went ahead and tried to provide a design for how to fly. Oh, balloons which float so high. Oh, second things second, there were geniuses that managed to succeed. Brothers Wright went to still flew so high no one could see. Oh, not really though, you see. Oh, now we're going to the heavens and being open to the pressure, feeling it slowly going down, going from troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere into the cosmos far away, seeing that everything has changed. All these equations to obey are what we call the ISA. Planes in stable flight, the moment should be zero by having a tail or using a canard, cause it just looks cool. But how though? When we sum the moment, substitute CL, now differentiate to alpha CG. Before the neutral point is where it's stable, no pitching. For something heavier, pressure differences can be achieved. Give the flow around the wing on the top a higher speed. Oh, according to Bernoulli. Oh, just far off from the ground, first equilibrium should be found. Lifting the weight the same amount, thrust equals drag, it's so profound. But the lift and the drag, they are typically similar. Critical is when we wish to go this, and remember to increase the lift depending on the wing surface and airspeed and angle of attack. But don't increase it too much, keep the drag down. Beware of stall. Be careful cause your plane might start to fall. We try to be efficient for the cost. Materials and fuel are all expensive pollutants. Let's fly fast when the flow round the wing will reach Mach 1. M critical is hit and the drag will be a ton. Oh, ooh. Shockwave louder than a gun. Oh, ooh. But in slow flight, ultra thrust will be needed. Use high lift devices, then landing completed. These engines are what makes us fly. But we should also know the aircraft's cockpit and systems. Speed determined with the pitot tube that measures the pressure. Last, this aircraft flies so bad it should be passed. This thing is called a helicopter. Now forget this awful thing and just remember the fixed wing.